today I'll be showing you guys how to fix any keyboard that is troubleshooting any software problem. So what you have to do basically, this is Yamaha Psr SX 600. I'm using this one as an example. So you go to your settings, which is menu right here. You click on menu. So when you click on menu, this will pop up in the screen. Just come down, you see the cursor, come down to settings, and you can see that the settings is not showing here. So what you have to do is you click on tab. Now if I click on this tab, watch the screen, you see that it has gone to menu 2. Now on this menu 2, you scroll down and you will see system. So click on enter. Then you are seeing community, backup, restore, setup files, reset at the top. All you have to do is click on this same tab button. I'm just tapping it forward. So you go forward, go from then you see reset. This is where to reset the keyboard. Then you scroll down wherever part you want to reset, if it's MIDI, user effect. But if the keyboard is troubleshooting very bad, I would advise you to click on everything. You come here and you're going to click enter on everything. But me, I don't want to reset my keyboard, so I already have files stored up in this keyboard. Then after you are done, you will proceed down to this place right here, factory reset. But me, I don't want to reset my keyboard. I have files stored up on this keyboard, MIDI files. So after clicking on factory reset, it will pop up a screen which says now executing, do not turn off. So that will take like 30 seconds or so. So after that 30 seconds, you see that the keyboard will be back to normal, be back to factory reset mode as it is while you first bought it. So that's it guys, how to fix any keyboard troubleshooting. This setup is for the Yamaha Psr SX 600. In any other Yamaha Psr, the settings might not be the same, but for this series, this SX series, this is the process. Just stick to the channel guys. I'll make a video on other type of Yamaha keyboard on how to fix them while troubleshooting. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe.